na mahal namin kayo.
Happy birthday to you. This is your day. On this day for you, we're gonna love you in every way. This is your day, your day.
I love. Happy birthday. I love you and I miss you. Ingat ka lagi dyan, ha.
Happy birthday.
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 Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
So hello guys, I am Tamira Panem and welcome back to my channel. So ang gagawin po natin for today is video vlog greeting para po sa Tres Maria. So let's go! Tara na!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Blow.
Dapat sila lahat ang binidyo mo.
Eh, hindi nakikita yung films kapag sila kanina eh.
Ay,
Kaya
malapit na
binakit ko
kasi
na lang.
masyado. Pwede naman to, ganyan, di ba? Bakit ba? Yummy! Yummy!
Salamat po sa handa to Ders.
Thank you! Salamat! Thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Custodio sisters, thank you very much. Thank you, ang sarap. Happy birthday!
Kain na! Thank you po sa handa for today's lunch. Happy birthday to Custodio sisters. We miss you and ingat po kayo palagi dyan. God bless.
Love you!
Love you, Ate.
Hindi mo ko na-inform na yung bati ko, lahat kami. So, that's it for this vlog. See you in my next vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!
Hello po mga ate. Happy birthday po sa inyong tatlo. Sa mga mababait na Custodio sisters. Ingat po lagi. Stay safe and God bless po.
I would like to sing a song for you today. Listen to the music. Listen to what we say. I would like you to know that we care about you. So listen to this birthday song for you. I would like to greet you. A happy birthday, wish you. A happy birthday, greet you. And may your dreams come true. You need not to worry if you don't have money. Instead, you should be happy, 'cause Jesus is with you today. Happy birthday po, Ate Naline and the Custodio sisters. May the Lord grant all the desires of your heart. Ingat po palagi.
Happy birthday, Tita Tinat, Tita Ichen, Tita Nalen.
Yes.
I love you, God bless.
Custodio sisters!
It's a prank.
Miss na namin!
Soy 7.
Miss na namin kayo mga ates! Mga ates!
Yun lang.
Happy birthday mga ate! We love you!
We miss you.
Miss ko na kayo ate.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Custodio sisters. Thank you for everything. Salamat din sa handa for today. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Tsaka kay Kalex, Ate Chen, alagaan mo siya mabuti. We're always here for you. Thank you for being my siblings. Mula noon hanggang ngayon. So, I love you and I miss you. See you soon. Ingat palagi. God bless. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Gretchen, Christina, and Rinalen. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Custodio sisters.
Happy birthday to you, dalawa kayo.
Happy birthday, Custodio sisters, MC, Greta, and Rain. God bless. Ingat lagi.
Custodio sister, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Love you. Makamati na, bil mo na yan. Happy birthday. Na, nabate. Hello.
I love. Happy birthday. I love you and I miss you. Ingat ka lagi dyan ha.
Happy birthday!
Yung birthday mga anak, mahal na mahal namin kayo. Mag-ingat kayo dyan kung sa mga trabaho nyo. Alagaan nyo yung anak nyo.
Hey, Custodio sisters. Mag-ingat kayo dyan palagi. I miss you. I love you. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. This is your day. On this day for you, we're gonna love you in every way. This is your day, your day. Happy birthday to you, to you, to you, to you, to you. Happy birthday to you. This is your day.